Hey guys, in today's update we're going to be talking about erectile dysfunction and specifically about the myth of erectile dysfunction medications. By the end of this video you're going to understand what I'm talking about, and you're going to also learn what I do to help with any ED issues. This is Arnold Bride at Healthy at 60 Plus. If you have any questions about this video or any of the videos on my channel, simply give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790. If you'd rather just leave me a question, you can do that in the comment section below this video. Now let's see what we have today about the myth of ED meds. So on the upside, ED meds are actually amazing. Kind of goes against what I'm talking about, but they are. They help men who have weak erections have stronger erections, and they help men who cannot get erections finally have them, if they work for you. So what more can you ask for? I mean, that's pretty amazing. Unfortunately, there's a downside, and here's where it comes in. ED meds work on symptom relief only. What that means is that whatever the underlying cause of ED is never dealt with. And that's the really important thing to understand. ED meds work on symptoms only. Erectile dysfunction is like the check engine light in your car. It's telling you that something serious may be happening under the hood. And taking ED meds and ignoring the underlying causes is like putting tape over the check engine light. Just because you cannot see the warning light does not mean the trouble has gone away. And that's the real danger of ED meds. And that's the myth that we're talking about. The myth is that ED meds, that's it. Just take a Viagra or Cialis or whatever and poof, you're all better. It's all done. It's gone. There's a large number of side effects that go along with ED meds. But ignoring the warning signs that ED is giving you is the real danger. So what do? You take ED meds as a stopgap, not as an end in itself. And you use my preferred method of nitric oxide therapy to help repair the underlying cause of your erectile dysfunction. And that underlying cause is generally damage to the lining of the blood vessels. Erectile dysfunction is an independent indicator of potential heart attack, potential stroke. It's nothing to just try to mask over with symptom relief. I personally use nitric oxide therapy. I think it is an amazing, natural way to repair the cardiovascular system. It helps with high blood pressure, cholesterol issues, blood sugar issues, and what we're talking about, erectile dysfunction. The product I personally use is something called Pro-Arginine Plus, but whatever you decide, consider nitric oxide therapy as a method to repair ED, not just mask the symptoms. Now I have a video on nitric oxide therapy that really goes into what it does and how it works, and you can see that video by clicking on the link either in the description below this video or in the comment section below. So you can get it in either two ways. It's really important that you watch it because you'll really get an understanding of what's going on with your body. If you have any questions about that video, this video, or any of the videos on my channel, like I said before, just give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790 or leave a comment and your question in the comment section below this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.